Hello guys, so in this video we are going to show you how you can connect your phone with your PC as a speaker if your speaker is gone bad in your PC and you don't have alternate just yet. What you can do, you can connect your phone with your PC as a speaker. So what you need to do on PC, you need to go on Chrome. Here search for audio relay. Open the first link here and here download the app for Windows, Linux or Mac OS. Once you click the downloadation process should start in your browser. After the downloadation is done, click on the APK, press yes, press OK. Here press the path where you want to download the audio relay. Press next, and press install. While it's downloading on the phone, you need to go on Play Store and here download audio relay. The first link and this option should pop up, and here you need to install this APK. After the installation is done, open the audio relay and press finish, and here get started. And you will see this interface in your audio relay in PC and this interface in audio relay in your phone. So what you need to do here, you can see the IP address written under your name of your PC. So you need to write it here. Press connect and press allow. Here it's wireless, so the latency will be high as always. And if you play anything on your desktop, so for example, if I put the speaker here as audio relay speaker, so if you play anything on your desktop, for example, I am playing this, so as you can see, this is playing on my phone and the video is playing on a desktop, and there you go, phone is as a speaker in this video.